You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and now we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be doing analysis on BTC USDT and Axie Infinity, that is AXX. So watch the video till the end. So I'm going to look at something very important right here on BTC USDT. Yesterday, I did analysis on this very particular chart and I talk about this as a retest on this our support line right there. This is our trend line. And after the retest, market go right down to this very point of support. This is where we find support, and this was also a support as well. So this was a support right here, and we have another support at this very area as well. So this was a support line, and I draw this support some days ago. Okay, so after the retest, market come back down. So what I am looking at on this very chart right now is for the market to rise from this very point. So if we want to actually take a trade for a buy position, please ensure you wait for the market to break this very particular level at this very point. So I want to see the market break this very particular resistance level. You see resistance right here, turn support at this point and resistance at this very point as well. So I want to see the market break this very resistance line. So a bullish candle formation, having a bullish close above this very particular resistance line will give a nice entry in my own opinion. So that is what I am looking out for before you can take a buy position on BTC USDT, because I also talk about the market going right down, and the market is going right down right here. And then I also talk about the market, reaching $68,000. You see, market almost approached $68,000 right there according to the Fibonacci level, where we use the Fibonacci level in my previous video. So at this point, if we should see a bearish candle below this very support line, so if you see a bearish candle which should give you a bearish close, that means that the market is going to go right down, and the first point of support is at this very level, and then this very level is very key. This very one right here is a very key support level that you should look out for if the market is going right down. So two things you're looking out for. The first one is if you see the market go up, giving you a bullish close above this very resistance level, and if you see a bearish close right down, that means the market is going to go right down to this very point of $57,000 first, and then we can see the market rise from this very particular area to the upside. So that is what I am looking out for on BTC. One more thing, guys, if you go back to the one-day chart right here, you discover that this market is already going down, and this is a retracement. And also say that anytime you see a retracement coming into the market after an impulsive move, in this case, is always a good thing for the next impulse to right into the market as well. So as the market is going down now, it's a good thing. So all we need to do is to identify the right place where the retracement is going to stop before the market is going to ride up back again. So right now, if I put my fib retracement and I draw from swing low here to swing high at this very point, you discover the market is at 0.232 right here. And then we look at this very zone of 0.382 and 0.50. So market may probably come down to this very area right here of 56, 55, and 57 $1,000 level right here before we can see the next push up in the market. Now, this is my own opinion. If we see a drastic move to the downside, this is a level I want to see a very strong support right here according to the Fibonacci. Nevertheless, I am still very much optimistic about Bitcoin price going right way up, and I want to see the markets at this very point right here go right way up from this very point, except we see the market break right down with a bearish close. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Leave a like for this very particular video. What do you think Bitcoin is going to do in the next coming days? Comment below and let's see your own opinion on Bitcoin price right now. AXX USDT charts, we have seen the markets, obeying this very support line. This was a support as well. then market obey this very support at this point, and then this resistance has been resisting the market for the past few days now, and then the market is struggling to break this very resistance. So what is your opinion about this very particular market right here? I am looking at the market to go back right down to this very point, and this will be a nice point to take a buy position for the market to go up for short time entry. If you see the market come back to this very area, remember the market has been resisting at this very point, this very area, and this very area. So when market will come back to this very level, it will not be an exception. We want to see the market reject as well. So what we want to do to confirm this very particular resistance is we want to see a bullish close to the upside. So once we see a bullish close, then that means this very particular AXX is going to ride far way up. So a breakout giving us a bullish close on this very resistance, that means it's going to go far way up. So 2 points of entry on this very particular chart is either you allow the market to come back right down to this very key support level for the market to go up. So you enter a trade for short time trade at this very point for market to move back up, or you wait for a breakout to happen on this very resistance level for the market to go up as well. And you have to wait for a bullish close, okay, for you to take a trade. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX, and crypto.com, check the link in the description of this video right now and do your Binance and OKX registration right away. And then if you want to enroll for the Remit course, please check the description of this video and you see a contact and reach out to us directly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.